grass pushes through cracks in the tarmac, dust and debris get washed away, and waterfalls turn from trickles to torrents. Welcome to the monsoon season in India, a time of celebration and rejuvenation. Monsoon road trips offer thrilling adventures, but they come with their own set of challenges. Rains make roads slippery. Be gentle on the brakes and slow around corners. If a road seems too difficult to navigate and err on the side of caution, find an alternative route. Now let's embark on 8 breathtaking monsoon road trips across India. Experience the verdant beauty of Chhattisgarh as you journey from Raipur to Jagdalpur. Explore tribal areas, majestic waterfalls, and ancient temples. NH43 is the main highway running all along the route from Raipur to Jagdalpur, a distance of 300 kilometers. The last 75 kilometers from Kondagaon onwards marks the beginning of the tribal areas. Make Jagdalpur your base for a few days to explore the Bastar district. The highlight of this region is the magnificent Chitrakoot Falls, which are 40 kilometers west of Jagdalpur. Meghalaya is often touted as Scotland of the East, and it is probably the rolling green moors bordered by gentle hills outside Cherrapunji that have earned it this sobriquet. The road from Shillong to Cherrapunji is State Highway number 5, which is also called the Sohra Shela Road. About 20 kilometers short of Cherrapunji, there's a right turn onto a country road that is a sort of scenic route to Cherrapunji. It's a road that's dotted with waterfalls like Mosadong, Lingsiar, Vaisedong, Sopung, and Lingai to name a few. You can base yourself in Cherrapunji for treks around the region. This is also the land of the living root bridges, and root bridge walking is a popular activity. Far away in the easternmost reaches of the Himalayan state of Himachal Pradesh lies a land that seems frozen in time, where the echoes of ancient geological forces still resonate. This is the womb of the Himalayas, where the Indian subcontinent collided with the Tibetan plateau, giving birth to the mightiest mountain range on earth. The drive from Manali to Chandratal, especially after Grampu, is a scenic and adventurous drive. Chandratal, or the Moon Lake, is pristine, secluded, and enigmatic. You just have to stay here overnight in a tent for the complete experience. The road from Pune to Malshaj Ghat resembles a canvas brought to life. Waterfalls cascade down every corner, clouds dance in the dramatic sky, and the land exudes a surreal beauty that captivates the senses. During the monsoons, Malshaj Ghat transforms into Maharashtra's ultimate water park. On NH48, the Bombay-Bangalore road, about 45 kilometers south of Kolhapur and 10 kilometers past Nipani, there's a right turn towards Amboli via Shibpur and Uttur. This is the road that you should take to Goa during the monsoons. Spend some time in the open green fields. It's peaceful here away from the noise of the waterfalls. Especially during the monsoons, there are little streams running about and cattle grazing in the fields. In Goa, when it rains, it really pours, and the sea is strictly out of bounds. which is why the monsoon season is Goa's off season. But if it's monsoon drives, lush forests, and waterfalls that you're after, then Goa is certainly your scene. On the drive from Amboli Ghat to Goa, backtrack a bit from Amboli and take Maharashtra SH 180 and 130. This road will take you past many waterfalls as it crosses the Tilari Ghat section, and then, just as you cross into Goa, the Chorla Ghat section. This route is 160 kilometers from Amboli Ghat to Panaji. The deserted monument city of Mandu is the main attraction of this road trip during the monsoons. But you can take in a few sights along the way too. Also, spend a day or two in Indore. It's known for its street food, if that's something that excites you. Instead of driving straight to Mandu, first drive to Omkareshwar, which is 80 kilometers south of Indore. This pristine valley in Andhra Pradesh lies 120 kilometers north of Vishakhapatnam and is reputed to be one of the most pristine and non-commercialized tourist spots in South India. Its vivid greenery is broken only by the silver shimmer of its many waterfalls during the monsoon season. The drive from Vishakhapatnam goes through the lush Andhra plains for the first 2 hours, and then, after the Jungle Bells resort that comes after 80 kilometers, start climbing into the hills that make up the Eastern Ghats. As we bid farewell to the road monsoon trips, we carry with us memories of discovery and the promise of future adventures.